All right, so we're doing a battery install on this Dodge Journey. Got to take the wheel off, take the wheel well cover off, access the battery. Should get done here in about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, about 40 seconds in, tires off. Time to take the wheel well off. See you shortly. All right, so now wheel well is out. Gotta unbolt that, unbolt there, bolt in the back, take the battery out. All right, so now the hard part's done. It's out of there. This is the bracket that holds it down. This is the other bracket. Goes in the front, goes in the back. Positive and negative are disconnected. Now we're gonna put in the new battery and shut it up. All right, so now the battery's in, bracketed down, bolted down. Now we put this back up in here. Kind of goes like that or something. Pretty sure this is supposed to go in the back here. Anyway, that's the next part. And there we go. That's back, put back on there. They were missing a few, but they had some of them off already, so I can't put them all back, but put 3 on there. Should stay. Now we're just gonna wrap it up, put the tire back on the wheel, lower the vehicle, have the customer come out and start it, make sure it's working all good. All right, and that's it. Thank you for watching. So I didn't get a chance to record it.
Turn right onto Thatcher Drive, then turn right onto East 71st Street.
Gave me a hug, $20, cried and said thank you. Because she had called, apparently she had been calling for like a few days trying to get people to come out, but nobody wanted to do it. And we did it. What up?
Turn right.